Good morning, class. Today we are going to begin with problem set number 33. Okay, children. Now, to begin with, the first question is write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. Now, children, you all remembered in our last lecture we learnt about multiples and factors. Now, we have to write multiples of 2, but 3-digit. You all know what is 3-digit. Okay, so we will begin problem set number 33. Okay, children. Now, first question, you have to write 5 3-digit number. 3-digit number means 3 numbers in hundreds. Okay, we have to write the 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 2. So, while writing that, first of all, we should keep in mind that our number should be 3. Like, supposing if I am writing 4, 2 and the third digit, that the last unit place, that digit should be a multiple of 2, means answer of table 2. Okay, so we will start with 2. Like that, this is one digit, put a comma. Now you have to write 4 more numbers. So you can start with any number. It is not compulsory that what I have given you, that only you have to write in the exam. But in the notebook, yes, you will write same. Everybody will write same. But for the exam, you can write your own number. Okay. Now, we started this number with 4. You can start this number with 3 also. You can start with 4 also, your wish. Now, here units place I am taking 1. Tens place 1. And units place I have to take the multiple of 2. That is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now, 10 is 2-digit number. So, we will take 0 which is in units place. So, we can take here 0. Put a comma. Now, 2, 6. Any number of your choice. 6. Now, we have written here 2. Here 0 is there. So, you can write here 4. In the same way, you can take 8, 7, 8. Okay. 9, 6, 6. So, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Like that, we have taken all the 5 digits. 2, 4, 6, 8 and for 10 we have taken 0. Right. Moving further to the second question, write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 5. Now, the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So, did you notice, children, in this table we are getting the units place. What we are getting? 5 and 0, 5 and 0, 5 and 0. In the full table, it is like that only, 5 and 0. So, you have to write any 5 numbers like the previous number. Now, I will start with 1. Tens place also you can take any number. Now, start with 5. 125. Then, we can take 130, 130, 135, 140 and 145. You can take the numbers of your own choice. Take care of the number in the units place. Here units place, it should be multiples of 2. Here in the second question, it should be multiples of 5. 5, 0. 5, 10, 15, 20. Understood? Very easy, na? Now, third question you have to write 5 3-digit multiples that are multiples of 10. That is so very easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now, here it is 10 is 2-digit number. So, what we can do is, we can start with take 2, 210. Your first multiple of 10 came. Then you can take any number, not necessary 2 only. You can take here 3, take 20. Take any number, children. The units place when it is 0, it is divisible by 10. Understood, children? When there is 0 in the units place, that number will be divisible by 10. So 450, 560, 770, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We wrote 5 digits. I hope I am very clear. You all have understood it. This is how we write multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Okay. Now coming to the next question. This is question number 2. This was question number 1. Now question number 2 is write 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3. Your second question is write 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as of 3. That means what? You have to compare the table of 2 and 3. So how to do this? First we will write 2. Okay. Now here we will write all the answers of table 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Will that be enough? I think so. We'll go ahead. 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. We wrote the full table of 2. Now write table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Correct? Now here we wrote the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Correct? What did I write? I wrote the table of 2. Now here I have written the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Right? No confusion now? Okay. Now we have to find out the same numbers from both the tables. 2 is here, it is not here. So if I find here it is 6 and here also I got 6, 8, 9, then here it is 12, here also it is 12. Then what? 18 is there, here also 18 is there. Now what? Now we found only 3. We have to write how many numbers? We have to write 5. So while writing 5, so what should we do? We should write the table still ahead, more than 10. Now here, continue here. It is 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, like this. And here what we will write? 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54. We will wait. Okay. Now find out more. Here we got 24. Here we got 24. Then here we got 30. Here also we got 30. So did we find out 5? Yes, we found out 5 numbers. Now the 5 numbers which are the multiples of 2 and 3 both. So we can write here the multiples of 2 and 3 are, from here what we have circled, right children? Can you find out? It is 3, 2 and 3. We have to write, we don't have to write here 3. What is the first number we found out? It is 6. So 6, then 12, then 18, 24 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, we have together found out the same factors of 2 and 3, that is 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Okay. Now, moving further, your question is, a ribbon is 3 meters long. Can we cut it into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over? Write the reason why or why not. Now children, what we have to do? I am having a ribbon. I have to cut it into a piece of 50 centimeters. Now all the pieces should be 50 centimeters. So just think over it. The answers will be less or more. It will be less, no? 50 centimeters, less than 50. So we have to divide. Now while doing any of the operations, like it is multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, anything, your unit should be same. The unit of measurement should be same. Now here you are having 3 meters. Here you are having 50 centimeters. Is it possible to calculate? No. It is not possible. Why? Because the unit measures are different. So first we will bring it into the same measure, into the same unit. So for that, what we have to do? We will do like third question, solution. Now first of all, convert 3 meters. Now for that we have to write 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore 3 meters is equals to 3 into 100 is equals to 300 centimeters, right? Now the unit measure is same, na? Centimeter or meters, both are centimeters now. Now 300 centimeters divided by how many we want? 50 centimeter pieces, 50 centimeter. So divided by 5, 50 divided by 50. So just by looking at it, you can calculate this 0 cut, this 0 cut, 1 0 1 0 cut, or you say the table of 50. 50 6 30, 300, 5 6 30. So 50 6 will be 300. So we can get 6 pieces. And the remaining part of your question is, give reason. Will there be anything left over? Write the reason why or why not. The reason is there will be nothing left over. There will be nothing left over. Why? Nothing left over, as 300 is exactly divisible by 50. Exactly divisible by 50. So what is your answer? Answer is equals to 6 pieces. Right children? We can make 6 pieces of from the ribbon. Coming to the fourth question. Your fourth question is same. Like the concept is same. A ribbon is 3 meters long. I need 8 pieces of the ribbon of each 40 centimeters long. How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? Now children, your sum is same. I meant that half of the sum is same. 3 meters convert into centimeters. We already know 3 meters is equals to 300 centimeters. Right? Now I want 8 pieces of what? 40 centimeters. Of 40 centimeters. So we can straight away write here solution. Now 300 centimeters is to be, how many pieces I have to make? 8 pieces of what? 40 centimeters. Now the question is asking you how many centimeters I am less. So first find out how many centimeters we require. So now 8 into 40 is equals to what? 8 4s are 32 and this 0 320. Now this is required. This is what? Required. Okay, I am having how much? Having 300. Okay, I am having 300 centimeters. So if from 320, therefore, if 320 minus 300, 300 is subtracted from 320, we get 20 centimeters. So we are short of, we can write 20 centimeters of ribbon is less. We are short of 20 centimeters. So answer, 20 centimeters of ribbon is required. Got it? Understood? I hope you all have understood very well. Now coming to the next question. Your next question is, if the number in the table is divisible by the given divisor, put a tick mark in the box. If it is not divisible then by the divisor, then put a wrong in the box. This question you can do it in the textbook itself. No need to do it in your notebook. Study from here. Okay. Now the first question is done for us. 15, is it divisible by 2? Does 15 come in the table of 2? No. In the table of 5? Yes. In the table of 10? No. Now same way we have to calculate for 30. 2 15s are 30, 5 6s are 30, 10 3s are 30. Yes. Okay. Now coming to the next number, 34. 34 divisible by 2? Yes. By 5? No. By 10? No. 34 does not come in the table of 5 or in the table of 10. Same way coming to 46. 46 yes, 5 no, 10 no. Children, it is very simple. In the 5 table, I told you while writing the factors, multiples, that the number will end with 5 or 0 in table of 5. In table of 10, all the numbers will end with 0. So there is no question of 34 and 46. So moving further, 55 will not come in the table of 2 because the last number is odd. In 2 is an even number, so all the numbers with 2 will come in the ending number with even number only. 5 yes, 10 no. 63 no, 5 no, 10 no. It will not come in any number. 70 yes, 5 yes, and 10 also yes, because 5 table 5 and 0, 5 and 0. 84 yes, no and no. Okay children, this was all for today. We will continue with the prime and composite numbers in our next lecture. Thank you.